bago magundas, merong isang police officer sa Talisay. Nagpalaro siya, nag-vlog siya sa kanyang channel at naglaro siya ng Bring Me. Ito yung mga laro ng mga bata o even matanda pag may party. Bring me a belt, bring me a shoe, bring me a 10 peso coin or 20 peso coin. Dito ang sinabi ng police officer, bring me a drug addict. At dito ay sabi niya, if you can bring me a drug addict, bibigyan kita ng 2,000. And if you can bring me a drug pusher, mas mataas yung kanyang reward na 5,000 pesos. And itong Bring Me Challenge na ito, nagalit ang pamunuan ng Philippine National Police at dinisiplina ang police officer for grave misconduct and possible na matanggal pa siya sa pagka-police because of course hindi ito joking matter na laro-larurang yung paghuli ng drug user or drug pusher, and it will endanger the lives of the people who will participate in the game. Baka hindi nila alam kung dangerous or armado yung mga dinadala nila, and hindi rin pwedeng sabing citizens arrest kasi nga game lang itong ginawa ni police officer. At inimbestigahan rin siya ng Anti-Cyber Crime Division ng PNP for other possible liabilities, no? And itong sinasabi nilang ganitong conduct ng isang police officer ay resulting into a grave misconduct at sinasabing huwag tularan ng Philippine National Police.